Rasta pasta is a creamy pasta made with Jamaican style jack chicken and sauteed bell peppers. This meal is filled with flavor and is so creamy that you want to have this over and over again. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make jack chicken with Rasta pasta. And please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any video. To make this jack chicken with Rasta pasta, we are going to start by seasoning the chicken. So I've got 2 chicken breasts here. First of all, you pat your chicken dry and then season this with a little bit of black pepper. We are going to season both sides with pepper. Also season this with a little bit of salt. Next, add 1.5 tablespoons of jack seasoning to it. So I'm using homemade jack seasoning. You can use store-bought. I'm going to put up a link on how I made this jack seasoning. Just use your hand to coat the seasoning all over the chicken. Once you're done, cover the chicken with a cling film. And then leave this to rest for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. While your chicken is resting, add some water to a medium pot and bring to a boil. Make sure you add a little salt to the water. Now add about 300 grams of penne pasta to the boiling water. Now cook your penne pasta according to pack instruction. After about 9 to 10 minutes, the pasta should be cooked and soft. So we are going to drain this right away. After that, place a large skillet on the stove top. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil is heated, transfer the marinated chicken breast into it. Cook the chicken on one side for 8 minutes, then flip over to the other side and cook for another 8 minutes. You can place a lid over the pan to allow the chicken cook all through without burning within a short period of time. Once your chicken is ready, transfer it to a chopping board. Use a sharp knife to slice your chicken into medium pieces. Cover and set the chicken aside until when needed. After that, add 1 tablespoon to the same pan you use for cooking the chicken. Go in with 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion. Go in with 1 medium sliced yellow pepper, red pepper, and green bell pepper. Saute this for about 3 minutes until the pepper is slightly soft. I'm using different colors of bell peppers to give our Rasta pasta a colorful appearance. After that, go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. Cook for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Season this with 2 tablespoons of jack seasoning. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of dry thyme, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, or you can add this to your taste. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. You can stir this to combine. Next, go in with half cup of chicken or vegetable broth and 1.5 cup of heavy cream. You can use half and half. Stir this together and cook until it thickens up. After simmering the sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes, it should thicken up slightly, just like so. Next, go in with 1.25 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, stir this until the cheese dissolves in the sauce. Next, go in with your boiled penne pasta. Stir as you add. You can add in some of this sliced chicken and leave the other one for garnishing. So just mix this, let everything incorporate nicely, and leave this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. So you can see how creamy it is. It looks so cheesy and creamy. I love this and it tastes so good. After 3 minutes of cooking your Rasta pasta, you can now turn off the heat. And here is the jerk chicken with Rasta pasta. You can garnish this with some freshly chopped parsley. And also place the other sliced chicken on top. And this was how to make jerk chicken with Rasta pasta. This Rasta pasta is really creamy, spicy, and cheesy. You will really love to have this over and over again. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved this video. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And please remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, enjoy your jerk chicken with Rasta pasta. Bye!